Sabay-sabay.
Ay, nagkahiyaan kung sino mauuna. Sabay-sabay tayo. Hello! Ayan. Ang Kapit Vlog TV is nandito ulit.
Buo po kami,
Nandito
buo
ako
kami.
saya sa inyo. Buong buo.
Kompleto kami ngayon.
Kompleto. Nagagapuhan, nagagandahan syempre.
Pati ako rin po, maganda rin ako.
Feeling
So, ayan.
maganda.
So ayan, by request po tayo ngayon.
May request tayo ngayon. Request time!
Ayan, for the
Shout out sa
song
nag-request ng
Whitney Houston. Ayan.
Whitney Houston by Maria Endico.
Ay.
Dedicated daw niya sa asawa niya si Joselito Endico.
Hi.
Ito naman, madam.
Grabe naman yung pangharana naman ito ni ate.
Tinunta mo na, madam.
Ay, hindi baka ako papanganay. Maria Endico, yan, harana niya sa asawa niya.
Ay, wow.
Wow.
Saan?
Baka naman may
I
ano
know
yan.
one thing.
Oy, one time may nagparang na sa atin. O, nagkaroon tayo ng milk tea.
Ay, saya-saya.
Ang saya,
Ay,
saya.
Ang saya-saya po.
Hindi, joke lang po yan. Pero pagtutuhanin nyo, okay lang po.
Okay lang po, tutuhanin. Okay lang po. Nag-ako naman.
Oo.
Ayan.
Okay, thank you so much. Ayan, sa ano, kasi, di ba, ang lagay ng panahon ngayon, umuulan, di ba?
Malamig.
Pag malamig,
Kaya-
depende din sa lagay ng panahon.
Malamig yung mainit to. Tinan mo,
Depende
pinapawisan
sa
pa rin ako.
weather na ibibigay mo.
Ayan, sa nag-request po ng I have nothing.
Ayan, si...
Why you nothing?
Sino? Si Maria.
Yan. Wala daw siyang lahat. Bigyan mo naman, Joselito. Hindi ko. Bigyan mo si Maria, hindi ko yung asawa mo. Sabi niya, I have nothing. Kaya pag bigyan mo siya, bahala ka kung ano ibibigay mo. Di ba?
Choice mo.
Ayan, your choice.
Oh, ayan. Sige. Kantahin natin. Ano kanta yan?
I have nothing.
Alright.
Kaya
Ito na,
Vlog
ito na,
TV.
ito Alright. Kapit Vlog TV.
Share my life, take me for what I am, 'cause I'll never change all my colors for you. Take my love, I'll never ask for too much. Just all that you are and everything that you do. I don't really need to look very much harder. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I will hold it back again. This passion inside can run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. Don't make me go so long. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you're there. Must I imagine you there? Don't walk away from me. I have nothing if I don't have you. You see through right to the heart of me. You break down my walls with the strength of your love. I love you, love like I never lived with you. Will the memory survive? Oh, I can hold on to you. I don't really need to look very much nowhere to hide forever. Don't make me go so dark. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms, if you're there. Hurt my side, imagine you there. Don't walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing. Don't make me go so dark. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms, if you're there. Hurt my style, imagine you there. Don't walk away from me. No, don't walk away from me. Don't you dare walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing. If I don't have if I don't have Ayan! Kay Edith. From sa asawa niya kay Joselito.
Ayan.
Joselito!
Ano ba yan? Nawala.
Nawala.
Enrico.
Enrico. Ayan.
Galing kay Ma'am Maria,
Galing kay
Indico.
Kay Maria Indico.
So, inarana ka na, madam.
Hinarana ka ng iyong asawa.
Oo.
Sana pagbigyan mo naman siya. Ayan.
Ayan. So, ayan, thank you so much. Ayan, and syempre, huwag niyo pong kakalimutan, kung di pa po kayo nakafollow sa aming page na Kapnog Vlog TV, pakifollow na rin po ang aming page. At syempre, pakisama na rin ang subscribe.
Thank you.
So, ayan, thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Sa bye-bye.